Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to auto-trace an image in Adobe Illustrator. First of all, take a new artboard of your liking. In my case, I'll select the letter artboard. Simply open the picture you want to trace. Go to File, then click on Place. Now select the image that you want to trace. Click on the artboard to import the image at its original size and resolution. If I zoom in on the image, you can see that the pixels are really bad and it's a low-resolution image. Now we'll fix the image by tracing it. If you're using the latest version of Illustrator, you'll get the option to trace the image in the Quick Access toolbar right below the image. But if you don't have this toolbar or you're using an older version of Illustrator, then you'll have to find it manually. In the top menu, click on Object. In the pop-up, go to Image Trace, then click on Make. As you can see, our image tracing is done. Now, if you want to fill the same colors, go to the Window menu, then click on Image Trace. This will open the Image Trace panel. In this menu, there's an option called High Color that looks like a camera icon. Click on it. As you can see, the colors have been filled as well. But we still need to adjust it a bit. There's a color slider at the bottom. Simply move it down to 0 or 1. This will polish the image so that it looks as if it has been upscaled. If you want to remove the background color, you can do that as well. Again, in the Image Trace menu, click on Expand. Now, right-click on the image, then click on Ungroup. Next, double-click on the background color and drag it out of the image. Here you can see that the background color has been removed. Now you can use this in your other projects as well. Now let's place the original image again and compare it with the new one. If I zoom in, you can see that we've transformed a pixelated image into this smooth and good-looking one. And that's how you can trace an image in Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.